So when I first came across AI artwork, the first sort of tutorial that I watched and that introduced me to that world was all about Midjourney. And so I think Midjourney was an introduction to a lot of people regarding the wonders of AI artwork in character development and animation and the whole world. Unfortunately, Midjourney now has got sort of quite expensive, and if you really are on a budget, then it can be a bit of an issue. Now, one of the main alternatives that I use is this Blue Willow. Now, to get to Blue Willow, come to bluewillow.ai, and then you just want to click on the Discord tab at the top right there, and you'll get an invite, and you basically can join Blue Willow a little bit like Midjourney via Discord. So you come here like this and you just accept the invite, which I already have, and it'll take you to the process of signing up to join Blue Willow. Now, if you're not sure what sort of Midjourney is and Blue Willow and all that, it's basically a particular platform to developing AI artwork. And when you first come here, if you're not used to Midjourney and Discord and that whole platform, they can seem really confusing. They can be quite busy, as you can see from my page here. There's a lot going on here, down here. There's a lot going on here for me. But basically, it's sort of not as intimidating as it looks. What you may want to do when you first come here is read the various pages of instructions, and if you read through these basic steps, you also get a pretty good handle on what Blue Willow is. Let's go here to some of the rookie pages, I guess you call this. We'll just pick one at random. We'll go for 27 and see what's on here. As you can see, it's basically almost like a feed of what people have been looking at. This is sort of quite interesting. You can read the prompts that people have put in, and you can get some sort of inspiration from that. The problem with this, it can get really busy, and you can basically end up being subjected to lots of other people's. Let me look at that a second. What is this? This is okay. You can find all sorts of interesting sort of things here. And you can go down, you can sort of look at some ideas and get some sort of thoughts and stuff. But as I say, you can get really busy looking through here. So one thing you may want to do straight away with Blue Willow is basically set up your own server, and it's pretty simple to do this. Now, these are servers here. Okay, I'm going to show you my one here. This is the one that I use when I'm creating my own artwork, and you can sort of see it's basically all of my prompts, all of my artwork ideas are here. No one else is sort of taking over this, so it's all my stuff, and it doesn't get too busy. Now, the way that basically you set up your own server is quite simple. You click on this add a server button. Now, it may be up here for you. Basically, it's a cross. You click on there, and you want to do create your own, and for me and my friends, and you can call it whatever you want. I'm going to call this just demo for now. You can add your own picture if you want. I'm not going to bother with that, so you just create that right there, and there's D for demo. Okay, nothing there really. Then you go back to Blue Willow, and you basically just want to click on the Blue Willow tab here, wherever you find it, and you can see this option here, add to server. Click on add to server, and down here you'll see add server. Click on there, and you'll see demo 220. That's what I've just created. Click on there, continue. Keep all those ticked, and then authorize. It'll check that you're a human, and go to demo 224. Okay, so now this is a Midjourney server. So I'm going to do my first prompt here, and what you want to do when you do your own prompt is you do /imagine. You can see that there, look. So I've got a boy with crazy white hair, red glasses, shouting at the moon. It's a really weird prompt that I'm just using throughout this whole course, just to see the sort of variations and differences that you can get. So it'll take a couple of minutes. You might get like various adverts and stuff popping up that you can just sort of dismiss if you want to keep it clean, and eventually you'll get the results coming back. Okay, so I've got these sort of these prompts here. I'm not as convinced by that, so if you wanted to, you could do this option, which will basically redo the prompt again and come up with totally different results. So we'll see what we get from that. Okay, so we've got some different ones here. Maybe I'm going to pick this one here. I quite like this. It's not quite what I was looking for, but you know, it'll do for this sort of demonstration. Now what I can do here, I can do U4, which is sort of upscale, which is basically make it a bigger, more detailed image, or I can get variations of that particular image. So I'm going to go to variations. Okay, so these are the results that I've got back. I sort of like this one. This sort of looks fun. So I can even have more variations here. So I'm going to go to variations again. Okay, so I've basically gone from these to this, and I focused in on this guy here. I've got these variations, then I've basically had variations of this one. And I mean, if I was doing this as a serious project, none of these I would be really that pleased by, but you know, I'm still going to, let's go for this second one here. So we basically go, I'm going to click on the upscale, and it's giving me sort of an upscale here. I have all these options as well. So you can, you know, you can sort of go, I really like this one. You can sort of up it as well. But on a whole, I'm sort of, this is sort of okay just for this particular example. So that's basically Blue Willow, and as I say, it's very similar to Midjourney, and all the things you can do in Midjourney you can pretty much do with Blue Willow, but you get it. It's not 100% free. I'm not quite sure what the limitations are, but enough for just a basic project during the day. So yeah, check out Blue Willow and see how you get on.